Home Remedies presents
Clean your lungs in 3 days. Make homemade cough syrup. Today we are preparing a recipe for natural lung cleansing from cigarettes and nicotine. The experiences are phenomenal. There are no side effects. Nicotine is the drug that makes people want to keep on smoking. It is addictive, and when one starts to smoke regularly, their body starts becoming used to nicotine and starts needing a regular dose. Thus, when a regular smoker tries to quit, he starts experiencing withdrawal. This recipe can help you refrain from smoking and detox your body from all the harmful toxins that can cause a series of ailments in your body. It will take you 15 minutes to make the cough syrup. Just 2 tablespoons each morning on an empty stomach. It will calm even the most persistent smoker's cough, eliminate secretions from the lungs and make breathing easier. Ingredients: garlic 50 grams, onion 100 grams, ginger 30 grams, turmeric 2 teaspoons with a pinch of black pepper, 350 ml of water, a couple of lemon slices. Directions: peel and cut the ginger, onion and garlic into small pieces. Take a saucepan, put the 3 ingredients in it and add 350 ml of water and switch on the stove. When the water starts to boil, add 2 teaspoons of turmeric to it and a pinch of black pepper. Mix it well. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, strain the tea in a medium-sized jar and let it cool. Add a few slices of lemon in it and close the lid. Store in the refrigerator. The quantity is enough for 10 days. That's how long the therapy will last. Take the syrup morning 2 tablespoons. You will start noticing the positive effect after 3 days.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.